Okay, so where are we at now? So week 1, week 2, week 3, we are on week 4. So cones, pyramids, composite solids. You have an assignment and a quiz. Let's take a look at both of these. So here's your assignment. Pretty straightforward. You got a bunch of questions like before, and it'll pick some random questions for you to answer. There's not going to be 36 questions, so it'll generate some questions. You got to answer them. Area. So for the cone, letter area is right here. It's pi RL. Like for number 3 here, you need pi, which is a constant. R is 7 because it's half of this, and L is 0.7. Well, all you got to do, you do, where's pi? There it is. Pi times radius is 7. L was, I forgot what it was. Pi R 15.7. 15.7. There you go. That's C3. This right here. Round to the 10th, so it's 345.3. So say round to the 10th, it should. Yeah, round to the 10th if necessary. Surface area of cones, that's right here. Pi RL, pi R squared. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, they're all like the same. Let's do one of these. So you have number 10 here. Slant height is 26.8, and then radius is 12. So your first formula, pi RL, 26.8 and 12. So for number 10 here, it's pi. Oops. So pi times, what is going on? Pi times 12 times 26.8. That's your lateral area. You add pi times radius squared. That's your total area. So lateral area, total area. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Like for this one, you use 16, and then you use 17.9 here. For the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. So all you need is r and h. Number 15. So number 15 here. 1/3 pi r h. One-third pi. Oh, what was radius? 12 is the radius, 24 is the height. Times 12 squared times the height is 24. Ta-da! 3,619.1. This is the answer to number 15. That's the volume of that cone. All right, pyramids. 1/2 perimeter times slant height, and then you add the base. Lateral and total. Let's see right here. So let's do 11 and 13. I'm writing these numbers so I don't forget them this time. So for 11, you need the base is a triangle, which is 10 by 10. No, it's not. The base is 10, and then the height of the triangle is 8.7. The height of the whole figure is perimeter. Oh, you don't even need that. So it's perimeter and then slant height. Okay, that's easy. So perimeter, slant height. Which one was I doing? This one. So the perimeter is, you have 10, 10, 10. So right here is 10, 10, 10. So the perimeter is 30. And then times the slant height is 11.4. Number 11 here. So perimeter, each side is 10 times the slant height. I forgot what it was. 11.4. All right, there is your lateral area. Then to get the surface area, you do, that's the one I was thinking of. So it's a triangle at the base. So triangle is 1/2. Base of the triangle is 10. The height of the triangle was 8.7. There you go. So that's the lateral area, and this is the total surface area. Number 15. No, 11. That was 11, sorry. Then the volume for, let's do 13 for the volume. So it's a 9 by 9 square at the bottom, and it's 11 tall. For a pyramid, 1/3 base times height. 13. So area of the base, so area of the square times the height. So the square is 9 by 9. The height, oh, I forgot the height again. The height is 11. Ta-da, that's the volume. Okay, so that's what you're doing this week. That's the assignment. The quiz, you really just use the same formulas, you plug them in the same way. No. Formulas, lateral area of the pyramid. So lateral area of your pyramid is going to be 0.5 times perimeter, which is 0.5. Perimeter is 24. 24 times 4. And then the slant height. Ooh, we use Pythagorean theorem for this one. Ah, this is the nice one. Here, I'll give you this one since you're watching this video. So to find the slant height, it's 16 squared. It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 16 squared plus 12 squared. So the slant height for this one is 20. So to find the lateral area, it's going to be 0.5 times 24 times 4 times 20. Number 1. That's my number 1 at least. Lateral area of the cone. For that one, you do pi times 16 times 34. That's it. What's the volume of this one? So for this one, you do square base 11 squared times 37. Volume of the cone. What's the formula for volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r squared h. For this one, don't put pi in the calculator. You just do 1/3 pi 5 squared times 9 times. Yeah, there you go. Let me check one thing, make sure this is not a tricky thing. Yeah, that was it. Composites. Okay, here you have a half a circle and you have a rectangular prism. So the rectangular prism, it's 8 by 8 by 12. So it's 768 for the prism. So you do 768, but you have to add, I'm just putting this in here so I don't have to write it down. And then the circle, the radius of the circle is 8. So for a circle, it's 4/3 times pi times your radius cubed. $268.08. What I got for this half circle. Oh, no, it's a half circle. Okay, so that's a whole circle, whole sphere. Divide that by 2, 134.04. So I'm gonna add 768 to that. There you go. Here's the answer to that one. That's how you do those. You just add them together. You do the volume of each one, add them together. I shouldn't give you the answer for that. Hey, but if you're here watching this video, I'm glad to help you out. Maybe you got some of these questions, maybe you didn't. But that's it. That's it for this week. You have just the one assignment, the one quiz. Of course, if you run into other questions, send me a message, send me an email. Good luck.